Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add an outline or stroke to text in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To add an outline to text, first make sure you are in the Edit tab and that you have your text inserted into the timeline. Select your text by clicking on it and then go to the Inspector tab in the top right. If it's not open, click on where it says Inspector. Now choose Video in here and look for the Stroke section and expand it if it isn't already open. Within here you can choose the colour of the outline by clicking on the current colour, and then you can increase the size of the outline and preview how this looks. That's how to add an outline or stroke to text in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.